Truck accidents can be devastating. They often involve very, very serious injuries and incredibly complex litigation that would occur afterwards. I'm Mike Ritchie from the Ritchie Law Firm, and today I'm going to tell you the things that you need to know if you're involved in an accident with a tractor trailer. Well, truck accident cases are different, first of all, because the vehicles involved are gigantic, often loaded down with tons of materials or other items, okay? It is hard for there to be a minor truck accident because of that. When a truck accident occurs, often the results are devastating. In addition, truck companies typically have teams of lawyers and insurance companies that are involved that immediately set about investigating the claim, looking for ways that they might avoid paying a claim involving a tractor trailer or lowering the value of what they would have to pay in a tractor trailer case. These are not just regular car wrecks involving a bigger vehicle. It's a completely different thing altogether. Well, truck accidents can come from any number of things. Driver fatigue, okay, from someone who's driving over, inattentiveness, plain reckless driving, equipment failure. The reason that a truck accident occurs is very, very important in the investigation of an accident involving a tractor trailer. That is why hiring an attorney right away is very important if you're involved in an accident involving a tractor trailer, because the evidence of how this accident occurred is often freshest right at the very, very beginning. And you can rest assured there's someone from the insurance company that covers that tractor trailer out there looking for that evidence starting day one. In a tractor trailer accident, fault is determined by the evidence. Okay? The evidence could be the witness statements and what people have seen. They could be videos that happen to be either on dash cams or traffic recordings, but they can also come from the technological aspects of the vehicles themselves. Tractor trailers often have what we would consider a black box or other electronics on the tractor itself that would tell you things like how quickly it was braking, how fast it was going, and other details that might help you gather the evidence to find out what really happened here and who is at fault. Gathering that evidence right away is very, very important, and that's why you need to contact an attorney immediately if you've been involved in a tractor trailer accident. Damages in a situation like this, that's what we refer to the money that you might get from a tractor trailer insurance company after you've been involved in a tractor trailer accident. And those damages are determined largely by the facts of the case, okay, which is the amount of medical expenses or the injuries that have been involved, any lost wages, any future losses that might occur, anything that you can explain to a judge or a jury, this is a loss that has happened because of this tractor trailer accident. Here at the Ritchie Law Firm, that's what we do. We make sure that those losses, both the tangible, the medical bills, the lost wages, and the intangible, the pain, the suffering, the inconvenience, the loss of enjoyment, that all of those damages are presented fully in front of a judge or a jury or to the insurance company so that you get the compensation that you deserve. At the Ritchie Law Firm, we know how to take on trucking companies and their insurance companies to make sure that you get the compensation that you deserve. If you or a family member or a loved one has been hurt in a trucking accident, call us here at the Ritchie Law Firm. We can help you.